Hey, welcome back, guys. So today on this video, we are talking about Facebook ads, and more specifically, I'm going to quickly answer a question I keep getting a lot on my other video, and that is, how do you verify your domain for Facebook ads? So let's go ahead and talk about this. First off, guys, real quick video, not too many steps involved, so be sure to stick around to the end of the video. But why would you want to verify your domain for Facebook ads anyways? Well, that's pretty easy. If you're running an online business and you're running Facebook ads, you know that it is required from Facebook. Otherwise, your ads are going to be limited. Whatever the case is, it's a pretty easy process. It's handled here in your Facebook Ads Manager. Check my video description. I'll try to leave the written instructions there as well. I've already logged into my Ads Manager, and this is the home screen. Now here on the home screen, if you want to verify your domain for Facebook ads, here on the left side, you're going to click on this little gear icon. It's called Business Settings. Okay, once you do that, you're going to see this menu here on the left, and you want to click on this button here, Brand Safety and Suitability. Once you do that, you'll see another menu open up, and you want to click on Domains. Once you click on Domains, you're going to click on the blue Add button. All right, once you do that, you want to click on this plus, Create a Domain. All right, once you do that, go ahead and enter in your domain here. Okay, once you do that, go ahead and click on the blue Add. Okay, quick second later, the page refreshes. You're going to see your domain right now. You can see it is not verified. So what you're going to need to do is you're going to click on this drop down menu, and you have three different options to verify your domain with Facebook ads. So the easiest way is to go ahead and choose this, add a meta tag. And then what you're going to do is you're going to grab this code right here, and you're going to paste it into the header of your website. So that's going to really depend on who's hosting your website. For this particular website, this is a website that I own on WordPress. So let me go ahead and open up my WordPress. Okay, so I went ahead and opened up my WordPress dashboard. So for me, I use a plugin called HFCM. So I'm going to go ahead and add new. So if you host your website with some other provider, you need to ask them how you can add HTML code into the header. So I'm going to go ahead and name this Meta Ads Confirm. It's going to be site wide. And then I'm going to paste in that code that we grabbed from our Facebook ads. And I'm going to go ahead and save this. Okay, so once you've added in the HTML code to the header of your website, you're going to come back over here. And now you're going to click on Verify Domain. Okay, so the code was entered in correctly into the header. And now you can see it's verified. So there you have it, guys. If you're wondering how to verify your domain in Facebook ads, that's the easiest way I know how to do it. If you know an easier way, be sure to leave a comment below. Let the rest of us know how you did it. Hopefully you found that video useful. If so, click thumbs up or maybe consider subscribing to my channel, and I hope to see you on the next video. Thanks again for watching.